For just $25, you can protect your passport, money, or flash drive containing important documents. The Sentry Safe folder provides 4 layers of protection, including aluminized glass fabric, making it fire-resistant and maintaining an optimal internal temperature to prevent items from overheating. Plus, it guards against water damage. While the folder won't last forever, it's better than nothing and is part of the range of protective products from the same makers, forming a complete protective music set. Every minute, 1,546 people buy Bitcoin for the first time. As it's a purely digital currency, you won't find stacks of bills to stash in a safe, but keeping Bitcoins in your wallet or pocket is entirely feasible thanks to Material Bitcoin. This card, resembling a bank card, serves as a cold storage device, ensuring your Bitcoins are offline. The unique digit letter combination on it is your address for accessing the Bitcoins, applied by a robotic laser in a secure facility, with no human touch involved. And to add another layer of security, the address is shielded by a metal strip during delivery. Material Bitcoin is priced at $95. We are at Macquarie University Library in Australia, where the workflow is very interesting. They've got over 1.5 million printed and electronic materials, plus something called ASRS, an automated storage and retrieval system. It was the first of its kind in the country. Now, readers can grab books, magazines, and more in about 10 minutes, all thanks to robots cruising around a 4-story vault. You might think it sounds clunky, but actually, the ASRS has freed up a ton of space. It only takes up a fraction of the room that traditional shelves do, leaving plenty of space for future expansions. And with all that room, readers have plenty of spots to dive into their books. It's no wonder the library set a record of 16,000 visitors a day. If we keep storing data as we do now, the planet will be overrun with data centers and filled with waste. Hard drives usually only last 5 to 10 years on average before needing replacement. Microsoft offers an alternative solution with Project Silica, storing data on glass. They use a laser to write the data and a microscope to read it. A palm-sized block can hold up to 7 terabytes of data, the equivalent of about 3,500 movies. The glass, made of quartz, is incredibly durable and can withstand extreme conditions like boiling and microwaving. Plus, it can preserve data for approximately 10,000 years. According to the WHO, a staggering 1.3 billion tons of food get wasted annually around the world. These troubling numbers make solutions like Fresh Defend Home even more relevant. The manufacturers of this system highlight another alarming fact: annual product losses amount to a whopping 240 billion. It's high time we widely adopt Fresh Defend Home. These compact storage units, suitable for nearly any kitchen, can extend the freshness of food up to 5 times. For instance, tomatoes and cucumbers remain tasty even after 30 days. The concept is simple. The unit removes oxygen from the circulation air and can produce ozone to combat bacteria if needed. The system is priced at $249. Preserve, another product advocating food conservation, employs a similar approach seen in stores. It uses dry fog to create ozone. Just like its counterpart, this not only enhances the appearance of food on shelves but also prolongs its freshness. Preserve stands out by using 86% less water than competitors and boasts self-sanitization, ensuring longevity. Even wine cellars are embracing new technology with products like the EEL 185. This smart cellar can hold up to 185 bottles and comes with a smartphone app that lets owners create and access their wine lists anytime. Equipped with 12 sensors, it responds swiftly to bottle removals and additions. Users can adjust the temperature inside from 5 to 20 degrees Celsius, while an activated carbon filter ensures clean air despite its features. EEL 185 operates without vibrations, which is great for preserving both young and aged wines. Its triple glazed doors with UV protection add a touch of luxury too. Wine enthusiasts worldwide won't hesitate to invest $4,258 in this premium cellar. Let's take a look at Guangzhou Speed Hydraulic Equipment, a Chinese company specializing in freezing systems. With over 30 years in the industry, they've amassed over 100 patents. Need a quick freeze? Their liquid nitrogen system can reach -60 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes. Wait a bit longer, and you'll hit -160 degrees Celsius. It's perfect for freezing ready meals fast. They also offer unique systems like one tailored for durian, a tasty but notoriously smelly fruit. Their system freezes it to -8 degrees Celsius, 6 times faster than many others, while preserving all the fruit's benefits.